So, hello and welcome, beautiful people, to round number 2 of my never-ending strive for perfection. Well, not perfection. I would be better, that's enough. So, you know the deal, right? I do these rounds trying to improve 5 minutes of typing, 35 minutes of now it is application development. And I succeeded into creating a CRUD application. Yes, you heard it right. I'm the one, and you can see me. I can save the database and retrieve it to the web. Ha. uh, yeah, sure. Well, you are distracting me and keeping me at it at the same time. Because if I don't stream, I don't keep it as consistent. So there's that. Okay, let's go. Also, I'm not mentioning that all the help which I got from a chat and the company, which is just awesome. There must be a huge delay. Oh yeah, there's a huge delay, god damn it. Thank you. Yes, the delay is fucked up, and I don't know. I already like optimized the settings in OBS to mitigate this problem. Maybe I can restart stream after this round. That might help. What the hell is happening? Someone in the building is downloading a lot of porn. Again. Oh, it's 22. Someone. Yeah, who could be? I don't know. Why did you fix the delay? Oh, is it okay now? Maybe. Yeah, okay, cool. So because I did set up something to the OBS which should be fixing this problem if it happens, so apparently it works. So that's good. 4:33. Cool. A minute and a half. I can do this. Codico, how is called your page for the typing? Maybe it's not here. SpeedTyperDev, yeah. I'll check it out. Most of you probably know it. Who doesn't know? We'll have a look. That's nice, so I don't have to restart the stream. That's nice. It's a lot of JavaScript, so most snippets feel like really weird syntax to me. Oh wow, 1%, look at that. That's awesome. 144. Bam. Push to add more languages. I've been taking a bit of break from it by getting into it again on Saturday. So this is Codico's page, where you can type things as well. I need to turn it off. Vim key bindings. Where do I here? Okay, and then we have BPM and accuracy. Okay. That's kind of like reverse to the thing which I track. It could be converted, maybe. Oh well. Mistakes 9. Also, Codico streams, so you can go to his page and give him a follow. Here. Okay, so that concludes the typing session. And hey, White Panther. Oh, White Panther also streams. She's having, I love her like overlay, and she's like doing it. Let me show you.
You mean the one that glob passes through?
What?
This value.
Oh, that's Matti.
If we define it
you are hosting Matti.
But
But I won't now look at. Oh, come on! I'll post this.
Something like file.
Come on! Where's the here? Look at that.
Are we ready to start the giveaway?
You see this? She did that. You know, like those things. Maybe even that. I don't know. But I know this Panther is what she did, and she did it that you basically can you can put a web page into your like OBS, right? So what she did is to connect through some library which can connect to the Twitch chat. She connected to her Twitch chat. She reads the messages, and based on what you type into the chat, it interacts on the stream, which is pretty cool. So I think you can change the laser eyes and this or the hearts. Dasta is very interactive, and I think it's really cool. So you can go and check the White Panther. It's pretty neat.
Can't we just do
Yeah.
like,
Okay. And I will continue. And welcome everyone new. Nice to see you here. My pleasure. My pleasure. White Panther. Okay. So. And you are looking on someone who created a CRUD application. Yeah. What does it mean? That's create, read, update, delete. And I have this database. Well, today and the last few days. I have this database, and I can like I can like make queries, or like I have these requests here, right? Well, it looks best when okay, so I will, when I have some get in the controller. All is it? Okay, it is all. So it looks best in the browser. For the best experience, view in browser. Okay, so ingredient, all, and I get everything which I have here, right? And let's say that we will insert something, and Tramstars showed me that I can use this thing, which is Postman, and I do send, which basically sends a request to whatever you want. So I sending the post request on this URL, and in the body we have a JSON which specifies that thing, and I'll send it. And we got response 200 OK, which means great. And if we go here and reload, we see the Tramstars is there. Shows me how to Postman. Awesome. Hey. Yeah, so that's that. And we can also delete and so on. Yeah, you get the idea, right? And right now I'm cleaning up the code because it's kind of a mess, and I was trying many things. So I will clean it up a little bit, then I will push, and I'll have a look if my previous merge request. Yes, I do those things. Has been approved or not. What am I doing? I'm looking into project structure, and we go ingredient. What do we have here? This looks good. So the entity is that's for spraying. What the fuck does it do? Well, if I have an entity, it creates the table for representation of this Pojo. That's the main thing which I care about. I think it will do more things. Let's check it out. JPA entities. Direction entity are nothing but Pojos representing data that can be represented to the database. Okay, so that's all. Okay. Every instance of an entity represents a row in a table. Okay, cool. Cool. So I got it right. This is just definition of a type, which we will use later because I won't save the map, or well, that would be dictionary for the Python users. Well, Java also has a dictionary, but they kind of messed up the implementation, so they deprecated the dictionary. Well, not, yeah, it's in Java. The dictionary is in Java, but no one uses it because it has a design flaw. So then they did map, right? So no one uses dictionary because that one is bad, and dictionaries in Java they are called maps. And I have here this one, but I did not want it to create like the key and the key value pairs table with the foreign key reference to the ingredient, which would be kind of messy. So what turns out you can do is to save the map in a JSON, right? So JSON, people from JavaScript know, and well, everyone knows it now because JavaScript is everywhere. And yeah, here we are generating that. That is okay. So here we say the type is JSON. This setter is because I wanted to do something with it. I wanted to do my own setter for this. What did I did? Oh yeah. Oh, hold on. I didn't end up using it. Okay, so we can clear this. Bye. And that was the setter, right? So we will try if we broke something or not. And we will do two things. We will insert. Okay. And since we have this awesome thing here, so this is the state right now, and we will run some prepared requests, and there's a put. Okay, so the fuck is this? Student. Okay, so this is something which I copied from somewhere. Okay, so we have a post. Okay, that's wrong. So this will be ingredient. Oh, here we go. Ingredient post, and then we'll put in this. Okay, so and that's the first one. So we do this. Go. Okay, so response is empty, but we have got 200, which means okay. And so we can check here, and we can see that invisible is here. Doesn't have any data. Is that correct? Name, email, yeah, this. What the freak is that? But we learned something right now because we have the name which corresponds to our POJO representation, right? We have a name in here, but then we have, okay, so maybe this will be better. So we have three fields: ID, name, and data, right? So from the JSON, it found this guy, the name, and because I have a constructor which takes name only, that flies with everything, but we'll change this to like some proper data. So we have a name, That will be it. Yeah, and here we'll have a data, which is our map. And this is an object with key pair value, and this will be show it showed me Lombok, and the value will be true. Okay. So now I will restart the application. Just check out if everything works. So values, good. Now I will run the request and invisible 200, okay, and invisible showed me Lombok, true, you see? Okay, and this is the response from the application, but if we have a look in the database, we will see it here too. Cool, so that works. I wanted to go through that, right? So this is constructor for ID and string name, okay. I will leave it there. There's a toString, which I leave it there too. Okay, so what do we have next? Controller. So this is the access point, the endpoints, right, do live here. So we have the good mapping, all, you have one ingredient. Okay, so that should be called differently, right? If this is all, like this should be one, and this should be new, and this would be updates to like make it nice. So this will be new. Oh fuck, that's a keyword. Create, and this will be one. Make it beautiful. This will be just update and delete. Cool. What's next? The repository, there's nothing to it really. It's just implementing the JPA repository, extending, and that will automatically do everything for us, which is nice. We don't have to write queries or anything. Manually, long live to JPA. And this is a service. What is this? Why? I mean, if we already have it is inside of the ingredient controller, why it should be called create ingredient, get ingredient? Well, by ID, it kind of makes sense. Why it should have these names? Is that like a standard or like? I can do Java endpoint names convention. Okay, but this is for the endpoint, okay. Endpoint, methods, names, convention. Best practices. Why? Convenient. Like, why? What? I don't get it. What is the delay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11 seconds approximately. Bum, bum, bum. Looks like no one cares about like why it should be called like this. This is convenient. I mean, because it's not like I'm calling those methods like anywhere, right? It's just living here. So let's say I will have a but then instead of all, I would have get all ingredients. And so if I see method called create ingredient, I don't need to know rest. Yes, I'm sold on the idea. Yes, that makes sense. That makes sense to me. So, get all ingredients. Get ingredient by ID. Create ingredient. Ingredient and by ID, like so. Thank you. Then we have the service. This popular DB I don't use anywhere. Or do I? I do. No, I don't. What? I feel bad just deleting this. So we'll do this and delete it. But putting it here. And this will be ing, then this will be war, and I'll change to how do I, it is this? No, oh, what? And slash replace. Stuff needs to be deleted to create new stuff. I'm sure there is an Asian's proverb with better phrasing for it. Maybe. The names most of the time needs to be called what they do. So it's easier for someone else to know what's going on. For example, if I'm someone else code, I want to click at every method and try to figure out what's going on, but it's one huge topic. Clean code wire. I should read that. That has been recommended to me so many times. How do I do replace? It's this guy, right? S ing to ing to that's not how you do it. God damn it. Maybe it is. I'll seriously struggling to name my methods today as well. So, what did you do today? Well, I was trying to come up with the right name. You what? I pay you to deliver this service. Oh yeah, but the naming is really important. But I do understand it. That's the thing. But to explain it, someone who doesn't look daily into code might be kind of hard. That's what I'm trying to say. Fix the bugs, yeah. Oh yeah, it went to like in one of the companies where I worked, and I will not say in which one for obvious reasons, was at one time they decided that the developers will not be paid for fixing the bugs. So guess what happened? We did not have bugs anymore. All of it was new features. There was no bugs ever since, you know. Well, yeah, we did, but the thing was like this part of the company did paid that part of the company based on some rules, so it was like internal politics, unnecessary bullshit complexity introduced to your business too, and it was like a lot of things and drive that company down. It might be end. I don't know what am I doing. I totally lost the train of, yeah, so yeah, I know. And I'm Not files. God damn it. Rename. Not rename, it is a replace. Oh, thank you. So I do this guy now. This slash s ing ng2 gc. Doesn't fucking work. Why? There was a I forgot how to do this, for the fuck's sake. For the fuck's sake. It is a not slash, but oh, here we go. Thank you. Thank you. ing2 gc go. Okay, so that's not what I wanted. I want just on the selection. So which would be normal S, I suppose. So I do S ing2, yeah, 2 confirm. Yes, okay. Yes, yes. No, no, yes. Cool, good. As a word, no, that's not what I want. I want like yeah, that's thank you, Riot. And what I want, I have this, that, then this will be new variable, this will be new variable, and then I will put it in here all. That's what I want to do. And this will be replaced to free. Yes, yes, no, no, yes. Or visual. Oh. Yes, yes, no, yes. Okay, and here we will have a save all. And here will be list of those guys. Yes, please import list. No. Import. Here we go. And we have a swarm ing2 ing3 ing4. Cool. This should work, I think. Let's try it. Oh, this will be so chaotic. I can tell. Cool. Then we have a look in here. So we have a Trump star. Stuttgart. Oh, whatever. So we are here twice. Whoops, codes. This is twice here too. Is forced to gunpoint to use Eclipse in work, yes. And that was like yesterday, right? Or something. Nah, it's yeah, I have a 7. No, it's like it will be ingredients for like making food, like preparing dishes, but like I just did put those things in because I don't know, like no, that's just fake data. It just doesn't have to do like anything, like I just keep it in there just to have some like bullcrap. But yeah, I should have something sensible in there. Yeah, I definitely should like change it already. You're right. Because if I push this and my friend will be looking at it like, what the fuck is this ingredient? Doesn't make any sense. What the fuck is that? Remove it. Why? So this will be, I don't know, chicken. That doesn't look right. That's not. This is better. Yeah, thank you. Chicken. Chicken, and this will be changed inside this. I don't know. This will be protein per gram. What? This will be. This will be not chicken. Why do I write there not chicken? Chicken. So it'll be orange. I just said, come on. This will be see. I'm such a child. Whatever. What else? Radish. I guess, I don't know. I don't care. What's my favorite recipe? Simple one. The simplest, the better. So I eat raw. Except I don't know, I like sushi. But I don't cook much. Anyway. Why am I doing this? To change this to some things and simple. Tutu, not tutu. There we go. Tutu. This is my tutu list. What is a tutu list? Well, it is like to-do list, but you never get around to do it actually. That is a to-do list. Okay, this concludes this round.